When laparoscopy is suggested for infertility, it's a very confusing aspect for many patients and they think, do I really need the surgery? This one sentence can completely change a woman's fertility journey. You need laparoscopy. I've seen patients go home, search Google, read frightening stories and convince themselves that surgery means something is terribly wrong. Some even postpone their procedure for months or years, and by the time they return, they've lost something they can never get back, which is time. So today, let's answer the question every couple wants to know. Do you really need laparoscopy for infertility? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Suarchila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. And if you're trying to conceive, your doctor has recommended laparoscopy, don't panic. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what it is, why it's done, and who actually needs it, why it can sometimes be the treatment, not just the diagnosis. So what is laparoscopy? It is a minimally invasive keyhole surgery. Instead of making a large cut, the surgeon makes one or very few small incisions in the abdomen. A tiny camera is inserted, allowing the doctor to see the uterus, the fallopian tubes, ovaries, and surrounding pelvic organs directly. This is something that an ultrasound cannot always do. So why is it done for infertility? Why do you think your specialist has recommended it? Because some of the most important causes of infertility can hide where scans cannot always see them. For example, endometriosis, pelvic adhesions or scar tissue, blocked or damaged fallopian tubes, ovarian cysts, hydrosalpinx. Sometimes everything looks normal on blood tests and also on ultrasound, but laparoscopy can reveal the actual problem. It can also treat infertility. Here's what makes laparoscopy unique. It's not just a test, it can also be a treatment. During the same procedure, the surgeon may remove endometriosis, separate scar tissue, remove ovarian cysts, treat a hydrosalpinx before IVF. So in many cases, diagnosis and treatment happens in the same operation. Does every patient need it? Well, here's the biggest myth. Not every woman with infertility needs laparoscopy. In fact, many couples can begin treatment based on blood tests, ultrasound, semen analysis, and fallopian tube assessment without laparoscopic surgery. Laparoscopy is usually recommended only when there is a strong medical reason such as suspected endometriosis, pelvic pain, abnormal HSG findings, previous pelvic infection or surgery, a suspicion of pelvic adhesions. This is when the decision is individualized, not a routine thing. How about recovery? Most women go home the same day or the next day. Mild shoulder pain, bloating, or abdominal discomfort is common because of the gas used during surgery. Most patients return to normal activities within a week or two depending on the procedure performed. The biggest mistake that we have observed is delaying laparoscopy because of fear. And the second biggest mistake is having surgery when there is no clear indication. The goal is to choose the right investigation for the right patient at the right time.